Ooh, we're getting an invite. We're getting an invite to somewhere to relax. So this, to me, screams trip. It's summer. That would be the perfect thing to be invited to, getting away for a few days, having a nice time, relaxing. So let's see who's inviting us. You're going to have to weigh this situation up, so it might come a bit suddenly. You might not have time to think. You might have to move things around, but go. Go, 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 go. Because don't be too logical about this. Kind of live in the moment. If you can make it work, make it work. If you can make it work without breaking the bank or without causing too big of a problem, go. Enjoy this experience because you're going to enjoy it. You're going to really have a great time. Let's see who's inviting you and what the situation is with this. Okay, so it's something that you've been working towards anyway. So it could be a new person, could be an old person, but you need some time away. It would be great for you to have just a little bit of time. Now, this could be a night away. It doesn't have to be a week abroad, but it's for you to have some downtime together where you can just enjoy one another's company, okay? So when this invitation comes in, you're going to be so excited. You're going to feel like a kid again. It's going to be fun. And this also shows that it's spontaneous, it's exciting, it's an adventure. And even if it's just going somewhere and staying away for the evening, it's still got that feel to it. Now, if you are lucky enough to be going somewhere further afield and this is a full-blown holiday that's being offered, you are going to have the time of your life. It's somewhere very hot if that's the case. But yeah, I feel as though this is what you want. This is exactly what the situation needs. I feel like commitment could be on the table off the back of this. So, or maybe just this person committing to spending that quality time with you is exactly what you need. Maybe you've been waiting on that shift, on that change to kind of get some progress. Does this person even want to spend that time with me? Well, yeah, they do. You're heading into a new cycle. You're heading into a place where you feel like you're finally getting what you deserve. You're finally getting what you want. You don't have to overthink the situation. You can just go and have a good time. I also see we have the King and Queen of Swords. So this could be air signs. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This could relate to you two, or it could just be that you two have never had that time. It's a bit of a logical situation where it's always kind of planned, and this is a little bit out there and not planned, and so it's kind of out of the ordinary. And yeah, see, you have the Emperor and you have these two. This means that everything is normally very planned, very strategic, very kind of, I's dotted, T's crossed. This is going to be the total opposite of that. This is a spontaneous kind of planned, unplanned trip. I feel like this is going to do you wonders. It's going to make you feel great. I've got all of the kind of positive things I need to be seeing here to know that this will be something that turns into exactly what you're looking for, okay? Let's just look at the oracle and see what else is coming off the back of this trip, because it feels exciting. Feels like it's going to refresh the connection with you and this person. Feels like it's going to bring a commitment for you and this person. So if you've been in a place of suffering, this is the breakthrough moment. This is the moment where you go, you enjoy one another's time and company. They're saying their gratitude will bring this forward, but it just brings a new harmony in. So real nice blend of energies here that are showing. We've got fate there as well. Unexpected fate. Oh, look at these. We've got fate, we've got unexpected, and we have foundation being formed. We have got the twin flame card showing there as well. So if this is someone that you've been on and off with, you don't feel like you're progressing and moving to a place where you need to, this trip or this getaway will change everything. So it's being orchestrated by the divine, and although it feels unexpected, it's very much planned by them. It's just not planned by you guys. And it forms a new structure, it forms a new foundation for you and your person to kind of start over and spend some quality time together. It's maybe just what you need, remembering who you are and taking the time to celebrate yourselves and the relationship.